Enroll with Oakfarm College and have learning fun. Your future is at Oakfarm College. Start today. Are you ready to take your talents to the next level? At Oakfarm College, we specialize in turning dreams into careers with our innovative, application-based courses designed for aspiring professionals like you. Whether you're a high school graduate, a fourth-year college student, a working professional, or looking for a career change, we have the perfect program to ignite your passion and launch your career. Explore our cutting-edge courses, corporate courses, leadership and business management. Gain essential leadership skills to drive your business forward. Learn about strategic planning, team management, and business ethics. This intensive course prepares you to lead with confidence and make impactful business decisions. Duration 1 month. Cost 45,000 Kenya shillings. Customer care and service. Learn to deliver exceptional customer service and build lasting relationships. This course covers communication skills, problem-solving techniques, and strategies to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Duration 1 month. Cost 20,000 Kenya shillings. Marketing and sales. Develop strategies to boost sales and market your brand effectively. Study market research, digital marketing, and sales techniques. This course equips you with the skills to succeed in various marketing roles and industries. Duration 3 months. Cost 20,000 Kenya shilling per month. Total 60,000 Kenya shillings. Engineering courses. STEM learning. Unlock the potential of STEM education. Experience hands-on learning in science, technology, engineering, and math. Solve real-world challenges, innovate with cutting-edge tools, and build the skills needed to shape the future. Duration 6 months. Cost 20,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 120,000 Kenya shillings. Reverse engineering. Unlock the secrets of product design and innovation. Learn to deconstruct products to understand their design and functionality. This course covers advanced topics in mechanical engineering and CAD software, preparing you for careers in research and development. Duration 6 months. Cost 25,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 150,000 Kenya shillings. Airplane design and manufacture. Soar high with advanced knowledge in airplanes design. Study aerodynamics, material science, and propulsion systems. This course provides in-depth training for careers in aerospace engineering and aircraft manufacturing. Duration 6 months. Cost 30,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 180,000 Kenya shillings. Drone technology. Navigate the future of technology with comprehensive drone training. Study drone construction design, piloting, maintenance, and applications in various fields such as agriculture, photography, and delivery services. Duration 6 months. Cost 25,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 150,000 Kenya shillings. Automotive design and production. Explore the art and science of automotive design. Learn to sketch, model, and craft innovative vehicle designs using CAD software. Master aerodynamics, ergonomics, and sustainability to create stunning, functional vehicles for the future of mobility. Duration 12 months. Cost 25,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 300,000 Kenya shillings. Electrical installations. Learn the skills needed for safe and efficient electrical installations. This course covers wiring, circuit design, and electrical safety. Prepare for a career as an electrician with comprehensive practical training. Duration 3 months. Cost 15,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 45,000 Kenya shillings. Plumbing. Master the essentials of plumbing and start your career in this vital trade. Learn about pipe installation, water systems, and safety standards. Gain hands-on experience to become a certified plumber. Duration 3 months. Cost 15,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total 45,000 Kenya shillings. Woodwork. Create beautiful woodcrafts with expert guidance. Learn about different types of wood, joinery techniques, and finishing methods. This course offers practical training for hobbyists and aspiring professional woodworkers. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 10,000 Kenya shilling per month. Total: 60,000 Kenya shillings. Design courses. Fashion design. Dive into the world of fashion and learn to create stunning designs. This course covers everything from concept development and sketching to fabric selection and garment construction. Gain hands-on experience and build a portfolio that showcases your unique style. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 15,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 90,000 Kenya shillings. Jewelry making. Craft exquisite pieces of jewelry with your unique touch. From metalworking and stone setting to contemporary design trends, this course offers comprehensive training in creating both traditional and modern jewelry pieces. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 15,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 90,000 Kenya shillings. Tailoring. Perfect the craft of tailoring and create custom garments. This course covers pattern making, fitting, and garment construction. Learn traditional and modern tailoring techniques to start your own business or work in high-end fashion. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 10,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 60,000 Kenya shillings. Footwear design. Master the art of designing stylish and comfortable footwear. Learn about different materials, construction techniques, and the latest trends in the footwear industry. Create your own line of shoes from concept to finished product. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 10,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 60,000 Kenya shillings. Interior design. Transform spaces with your creative interior solutions. Study color theory, interior design concepts, space planning, and furniture design. Gain practical skills in creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interiors for residential and commercial spaces. Duration: 6 months. Cost: 25,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 150,000 Kenya shillings. Nail and hair technology. Enhance your beauty skills with professional nail and hair design techniques. This course covers everything from basic manicures and haircuts to advanced styling and nail art, preparing you for a successful career in the beauty industry. Duration: 3 months. Cost: 10,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 30,000 Kenya shillings. Computer-aided design, CAD. Harness the power of CAD software for precise design and engineering. Learn to create detailed 2D and 3D models used in various industries, including architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Duration: 4 months. Cost: 20,000 Kenya shillings per month. Total: 80,000 Kenya shillings. YS. Internationally recognized courses. Gain qualifications that are respected and valued worldwide. Skill development. Acquire practical skills through hands-on training, preparing you for real-world challenges. Encouraging self-employment. Learn how to turn your skills into a thriving business with our Business Startup Fund. Field excursions and industrial attachments. Experience the industry firsthand through exciting excursions and invaluable internships. Business setup support. Receive expert guidance on setting up your own business and creating employment opportunities for others. Special enrollment incentives. Enroll today and take advantage of our exclusive launch discounts. 20% off. Showcase your talents and connect with industry leaders and potential employers. This is your chance to shine and make a name for yourself in your chosen field. Free startup fundraising course. Ready to start your journey? Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them at Oakfarm College. Our dedicated team of professionals is here to support you every step of the way. Join our community of innovators and achievers, and let's build your future together. Apply now and transform your passion into a successful career. Email info@oakfarmcollege.com or apply online at www.oakfarmcollege.com.
Remember, once you complete any of our on-campus or online courses, you unlock a bonus, our exclusive startup fundraising course. Imagine taking your ideas from concept to reality with funding from globally recognized investors who've turned dreams into global successes. Your journey to creating the next big thing starts here.